Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Livia of the Fro. I know you see me looking cute. I got my makeup done, my hair done, looking fly. Anyway, guys, before we hop into this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Live Gang, what's up? Yeah, we're a community here, and you guys voted on Instagram. We're going to be called Live Gang. So Live Gang, show some love by subscribing and liking this video, okay? Okay, let's get into this video. So guys, for the past couple of months, I've been working on something and I decided to share it with you guys, or it's time to share it with you guys. You guys, I'm going to be having my own natural hair workshop in Abuja, Nigeria. Like, what? Like, seriously, guys, I'm having a natural hair workshop alongside other Abuja bloggers and YouTubers. They're all natural girls and they are the best of the best. We're going to be sharing tips on how to take care of your hair, how to grow fuller, healthier hair, how to grow them edges, all right, edges. We're going to learn how to use Ayurvedic powders in our hair regimen. So much more. If you want to check out the flyers and everything that's been going on, you guys need to be following me on my Instagram. Check out my Instagram, okay? It's Livia with the Fro. Same here on YouTube. So basically, guys, I've been working on this event for a couple of months, and like it's always been my passion to like teach people, like for real, not just here on YouTube, like to teach people how to care for their hair. There's going to be live demonstrations. So basically, as I'm explaining something, I'm going to be showing you guys live. There are going to be goodie bags. Yes, goodie bags, gifts. I'm a good giver. Yes, guys, there's going to be gifts. There's going to be food. It's just a vibe, a party, a meet and greet. It's all in one. Other speakers as well are going to be there. You have Afrolicious, you have Paulette, you have Edie Francis. It's going to be awesome. If you guys are interested in attending and if you're here in Abuja, Nigeria, the ticket is just 5,000 naira. To register, you can email me if you want to register for the class, guys. 5K for all the information, the food, the vibe, everything, guys. That's a good deal. You guys do not want to miss it. I have to share this with my YouTube family because you guys mean a lot to me. Like 3,500 subscribers. Like, what? I remember when I had 400 subscribers, like, this is unbelievable. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. If you know someone that's in Abuja, Nigeria, even if you're not here, you can tell them about this hair workshop because, guys, it's going to be packed with information and it's going to change your natural hair story, period. Believe that. All right. That's it, guys. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And till next time, bye, guys.